Hey, it's Shere with another video, and it's the unboxing and a quick setup of the Xiaomi's latest Mi Band 3, so let's get into it. So Xiaomi has released their new fitness tracker band, that is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. The Mi Band 3 is not available in India, but we ordered it from AliExpress to get an early access to the device and to give you guys the review and unboxing of the Mi Band 3. So the Mi Band 3 comes in the standard AliExpress shipping packet, and believe me guys, this is the original Mi Band 3, not any fake or clone one. First off, we get this grey strap which I ordered additionally. Just wanted to get some another color, so I keep on switching. I would love to hear you guys, which would you pick up if you had to buy the Xiaomi's Mi Band 3 in the comment section. Moving on, we had this screen protector that was included in the package, and these are two of them. Other than that, we get the Mi Band 3 box itself. Let's clear this mess and unbox the Mi Band 3. So this is the packaging of the box looks like, and it kept very straightforward. Nothing fancy on this box, just Mi logo slapped on the sides, and they have the plastic sheet to showcase the product, which is sweet. And as far as I remember, Apple used to do this with their packaging, with their iPods. Other than that, lift off this arrow up and you can see the band sitting in the center. Let's pop this thing out. The tracker itself is very lightweight, by the way. I'll keep this aside and take a moment to see what else we get in the box. There is the standard black strap that comes with the Mi Band 3, the user manual, and to charge the tracker, this is the charger included in the package. Let's clear all of this. Now it's good. Now moving ahead to the setup of the Mi Band 3, first let's take the sticker out of the way, and surprisingly this comes still with some juice in it. Installing the tracker in the strap is pretty easy. Just pop this thing out from the back and you're ready to go. I know this Chinese language is pretty bothering you, but don't worry, it will be fixed in a couple of seconds when we will connect this to our smartphone. So to connect this device to your smartphone, you need to download the Mi Fit app from the Play Store or the iOS App Store. After downloading the app, just fire up and log into your Mi account or sign up for the new one. And you can also use a Google account to log in. Now you need to enter your weight and height in here, and you can go ahead and judge my BMI, and I would love to hear you guys in the comments down below saying skinny, 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 skinny. Now the account is set up, and to pair this device we need to select the pair option in the app and tap the Mi Band to confirm the device. See, the language is changed to English, and it will now take a couple of minutes to update the firmware. Until then, we can quickly install the screen guard that was free with the band. Putting the screen guard is pretty easy. Just remove the first layer, stick on the top, remove the second layer, and done. Pretty easy, huh? Now the band is done with the update, and now we can use our Mi Band 3 to track the steps, calorie counts, unlock the device, and other fun stuff. I also have this original Mi Band just to give you guys some comparison between the two. You can also check out the unboxing setup and my review of the Mi Band 1 in the info card in the top right corner. And there you go guys, that was the unboxing and setup process of the Xiaomi's latest Mi Band 3, which you can buy from the links down below. And if you guys enjoy the content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.